Welcome! In today's video, I am baking Christmas cutout cookies in the kitchen. I will paste the recipe in the description box down below, and I'll also link to the blog site where I got this recipe. The dough, and it has been chilling in the refrigerator. I'm gonna cut out pre-portioned parchment paper to line the baking sheet. It makes cleanup a whole lot easier, makes the process flow better. Parchment paper will also prevent your cookies from spreading too much, so you keep a nice cookie shape. You want to flour your surface and your rolling pin very well. This will prevent the dough from sticking to either one of those. You also want to let your dough either sit at room temperature for about 5 minutes, or you can warm it up by kneading it with your hands. This makes the dough a little easier to work with. And use your cookie cutter of choice and start to cut out those cookies. I don't know about y'all, but I look forward to Christmas cutout cookies every year. They're very nostalgic for me. I remember making them with my grandmother and my mother, and they're such a tedious thing to make. It's always a labor of love, and everyone around me always greatly appreciates them. Because these cookies are so tedious, I usually break them into 3 different sections. One day I'll make the dough, I'll refrigerate it overnight. The next day I'll cut out the cookies, and then on another day I will ice them and decorate them. I'm just gonna tidy up the kitchen, do some dishes, and mop the floors while the rest of the cookies are finished in the oven. I just want to take a moment and introduce myself. My name is Mary Lou. I am a stay-at-home mom of 3 small children, ages 4, 3, and 1.5. I enjoy making lifestyle content here on YouTube, everything that pertains to cleaning, decluttering, mom life, everything in between. So if you're enjoying this and that type of content, don't miss one of my videos. Hit that subscribe button down below.
The first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter.
So now I am pretty much drowning in Christmas cookies. We will ice them next. I'm gonna let my butter soften overnight. So I start off with 2 sticks of butter, room temperature for this recipe. This recipe does make a lot of icing, but I have a lot of cookies. I mix them very well with the paddle attachment. After this is very light and fluffy, I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm going to blend that really well in the mixer. Then I have 8 cups of powdered sugar on deck. Now, I know that sounds like a lot, but like I said, I've got a lot of cookies, so I need a lot of icing. So after the butter is creamed, vanilla extract is added, I'm going to add the 8 cups of powdered sugar bit by bit. Now it's gonna start getting really cakey and clogged. I'm gonna add milk. I have no measurement for this. It's just to your preference how you would like your cookies to be iced. I like mine bendable, moldable, but I don't want it runny. So just take that into consideration. All in all, I probably added about a half a cup of milk if I had to guess. This will create the perfect buttercream frosting for your sugar cookies. When I decorate the cookies, in the years past, I've always just spread the icing on with a knife. But this year, I'm getting fancy. I got some piping bags. I already have some decorating tips from years ago when I took a cake decorating class with my mom. So I'm going to use those decorating tips that I already have. I got some disposable piping bags, and I'm just going to put the icing in these bags and decorate using decorator tips. I'm by no means a professional, but I'm going to get them iced. It'll be fun and they'll look great. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I've had so much fun decorating these cookies. Let me know in the comments below if your family has any Christmas traditions. You want to put some sprinkles on it?
I want this. I did the top. Did the top, Mommy.
We have so